everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of long-lasting curls. Let's face it, these bouncy defined curls are amazing, but sometimes they just don't want to stay put. And we would all feel a lot more comfortable doing a long curl routine if we knew how long it was going to last us. Now, when I do a good curl routine, and by a good curl routine, I mean I'm really doing all the steps, I will get about 5 to 7 days of wearing my hair down with little to no refreshing. And I want to share some of my secrets today to help you with that because I know that's a pain point for a lot of people. And some of these secrets are not talked about very often. Now, before we get into the secrets, I want to talk about a product that has been a game changer for me. This product will be a part of some of the secrets, but I have to give a shout out to the Curl Keeper Spray Gel. The Curl Keeper Spray Gel is an all-time favorite of mine. If you've been on any of my channels, you know I use this a lot. And this is inside Curls Monthly this month. Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my all-time best curly hair products. And if you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, make sure you drop in the comments and say hi below. And if you're not, of course, I'm gonna drop a link down there for you to check out Curls Monthly a little bit more. Now, before we get into our tips, let's talk about some fast facts about the Curl Keeper Spray Gel. It is truly a one-of-a-kind product that has a hold of a gel with the convenience of a spray. It enhances your natural curls, it produces shine. It will not leave a sticky hairspray-y residue. It works great with the Curl Keeper Original. If you want to see a review video on the Curl Keeper Original Styler, I will link that right here. And it can be used in many, many different ways. You can use it to concentrate spot styling. So if you have a frizzy piece of hair, you can just spray it on there and kind of help with this hairspray to redo it. If you want to refresh, this is a great refreshing spray. Or in the case of this video, I'm going to teach you how to use it to really get your curls to last days and days. Now, I always like to chat about the ingredients inside of hair products because I think that what's on the back of the bottle is much more important than what's written on the front of the bottle. So the first ingredient inside of this spray gel is VPVA copolymer. That right there is straight up an ingredient that will hold your curls in place and give you that like hairspray feeling or hold. Then we have propylene glycol, which helps absorb moisture into your hair. Glycerin is a very classic moisturizer. That's the next ingredient. Panthenol is so great for shine. And carbomer is a curl definer. It also gives gel that like jelly consistency. So it's a really great product with really great ingredients. So let me tell you my 3 favorite tips for helping your curls last longer. Secret number 1, healthy hair is happy hair. First things first, curls need a healthy canvas. Damaged hair struggles to hold its curl definition. It just is what it is. And maybe your hair is not damaged, but maybe it's just not healthy. Maybe you're using the wrong products. That is also going to make an effect on how long your hair lasts. So ditch the straightener for a while. Be mindful of the products that you use. Look for products that are specifically designed for curly hair. Try Curls Monthly if you don't know where to start. This also can go into a little bit about hair porosity. So if you know what hair porosity is, your hair porosity and not using the correct products for your hair porosity is definitely going to affect it long term. If you don't know what hair porosity is basically the size of your pores on your hair. The secret number 2, water. Friend or foe. We all know that hydration is important, but when it comes to curls, too much water can actually be bad. Constantly showering your hair can make it super reliant on water to keep the curl. So yes, maybe you're not shampooing every day, but you should also not be wetting your hair every day. Instead, try something like a steam refresh. I have a bunch of videos on refreshing, but a steam refresh is a really great example. You can use a handheld steamer to do this, like a clothing steamer, or you can actually just make the shower super steamy, close all the doors, and that itself within the shower, don't put your hair under the shower faucet, but it will make your hair refresh. You can also just lightly mist it with a spray bottle, but you definitely don't want to drench your hair. There's also different types of refreshing sprays you can use, but you're definitely not going to want to re-wet your hair every day. Now, I get it, it's tempting to re-wet your hair every day, but you definitely should not do it because it's bad for you. And it feels good in the moment, but it's bad for you long term. Secret number 3, the power of finishing. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the Curl Keeper Spray Gel. Here's the thing, many of us pile on tons of styling products, but Curl Keeper is different. This magic potion is applied best at the end of your curly hair routine, which is what I want to focus on today. After all your stylers are in, so like right before your diffusing step or air drying step, you're just going to spray it on. This will create a healthy humidity proof barrier. It'll lock in your curls and prevent the frizz. It's just going to add a very lightweight holding agent to your curls. It's really magical. So this is indeed my end results of using that. You can see my curls are really, truly frizz-free. It's quite awesome. And I absolutely love the Curl Keeper Spray Gel. So combined with all these tips, it's helped me to achieve long lasting curls, and I know it will help you too. So if you're looking for a way to extend the life of your curls, give these tips a try and give Curl Keeper a try. Make sure you hit the like button if this video helped you at all, and I'll see you next time.